inverted, now hanging on the hooker. There he snaps it over, left pedal all the way down, right stick all the way back forward. Got a beautiful view up here in the announcing stand. Clearly you can hear the straw fighting for all the air as he's got that push all the way forward, 2,750 RPM. Another beautiful look down here from the announcing stage. Dead show center, some really nice point rolls comes in at that. Brad again, big pull up. He was right down here 30 feet off the ground as he came by, 270 miles an hour. That's where he stuffs the right rudder in again, shove the stick all the way forward, holds it. This is what 385 horsepower can do for you. Smoke on, he's bleeping the smoke. There's a button on the stick, putting the mineral oil right into the 1300 degree exhaust, holding it Harrier style. Folks may think that maneuver looked very basic. Trust me, when he is there, and there's what we call our slider. So he's got his right foot stuffed to the floor, throttle is still all the way forward, smoke is on with his left thumb, gives us a nice little roll as he's starting to torque over the top in our beautiful skies here at Luke Days. Comes out inverted, hanging 4 negative G's right now. Blood's got to be rushing to his head, pushes it back over to regular vertical upright flight. Hey Brad, if you are with me, we are down here on the ground at Luke Days.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it's nothing but exhilarating down here. It's gotta be awesome. Tell us what you're seeing up there in the blue skies over Luke today.
Man, we got awesome blue skies and we got a little bit of wind, but we're gonna try something really cool. I need your guys' help.
Okay, I'm down here. I can help them. What are we gonna see, Brad?
All right, what we're gonna attempt to do is try to draw thumbs up. We'll see if it will hold together in this wind today.
All right, folks, I know maybe you couldn't all hear that little broken up down here. Brad's signature maneuver, the thumbs up, where he is going to draw a thumbs up in the sky.
All right, if you stand a little bit out, say Jeff.
What are you climbing up to for thumbs up today, Brad?
Right now.
Going to 4,000 feet, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be ready for the thumbs up. Brad said he was maybe going to try it. He didn't know exactly what the winds were going to do for us today.
We'll give it a whirl deal. Like money out, hand out in front of your face.
Okay, you got that, everyone? Thumbs up to Brad Worston out here if you're in the crowd. Arms up. Here we go, Brad.
All right, we're going up over the thumb. Push over the top. We're going straight downhill, baby.
We love it, Brad. Thanks for pulling that off. I know it's really windy. They're going crazy down here.
We'll give it a while, see how you look.
I guess it kind of looked like a thumb for a second.
I tell you what,
Everybody break out your camera. I'm going to do one photo pass for all you guys, all right?
all right, Brad, we are with you. Here we go. Smartphone time, ladies and gentlemen. Cameras out. Last pass for us. We want to thank you so much for having us as part of your day here at Luke Days. Again, Brad Worston, all the way down from Logan, Utah, just at 40 years of age. As Mike called him, the new superstar on the circuit, but it takes 10 years to become a superstar. And this is our 10th season. Are we excited to be here? Here we go. Lucas Oil Machine, EK sponsor. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on social media. Brad Worston, PowerAddictionAirShows.com. thank you for making a wonderful day. Let me turn it over back to the best in the business, Mr. Mike Baranchoa.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Brad Worsted.